Today I'm going to show you how to get this effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you're going to drag your clip into your timeline and you're just going to chop that up into 5 or 6 different parts. I'll do anywhere between 5 to 10 different clips. Once you grab your clip, you're going to bring it to the beginning and go over 3 keyframes and then chop. You're going to do this for every clip. So just keep going through your video, picking out a clip, and going over 3 keyframes, chopping it up. I'm going to do this until I have at least 5 or 6 different clips. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, chop. And we're going to find another piece of our video to use. 1, 2, 3, chop. To do that, you're going to go into your effects panel and click the transform effect and add that to your clip. And you're going to go down to scale and add a keyframe. You're going to take that keyframe and drag it to the end of the clip. And then at the beginning of the clip, you're going to zoom in between anywhere between 180 and 200. So yeah, make sure that your last keyframe is at the end of your clip. And then you're going to scroll down and uncheck use composition shutter angle. And you're going to change your shutter angle anywhere between 150 and 260. This is going to give you a little motion blur while your effect is zooming out. You can do the same with the zoom in as well. So with the zoom in, you would just be going from 100 to 200 instead of 200 to 100. And then you're going to copy that effect and paste it onto all your clips, and then you have the infinite zoom effect. Just like that. As you can see, it's zooming in and out of every single clip. And when you play it back, it looks something like this. And that's how easy it is to get that effect. You literally can do everything in Premiere Pro.